Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to deposit checks through the BMO Bank mobile app. Yes, you can absolutely deposit checks using the BMO digital banking mobile app. This feature, often called mobile deposit or remote deposit capture, allows you to deposit checks from your smartphone or tablet without having to visit a branch or ATM. To get started, you'll need to be enrolled in BMO digital banking and have an eligible checking, savings, or money market account. Once you're set up, the process is simple. You just sign into the app, select the deposit a check option, and follow the on-screen instructions. You'll be prompted to take a photo of the front and back of the endorsed check. Be sure to endorse the back of the check by signing your name and writing "for mobile deposit only." Once you've submitted the deposit, BMO will process it, and you'll receive a confirmation. There may be a hold period on the funds, which can vary depending on the amount and other factors. It's important to keep the physical check in a safe place for a certain period, usually 15 business days, before shredding it. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.